Well, so hello, now we're going to listen to Roberto Olla, that is head of the Gender Equality and Human Dignity Department in the Council of Europe. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Andrea. And first of all, let me thank the EU Commissioner Nicola for inviting the Council of Europe to this table. It's a privilege to be here, but let me tell you how impressed I am by this organization. It is incredible to see all the member states around the table, and the children, and the EU, and all the stakeholders, the association, even the Council of Europe at this table. So, well done, really well done. It's impressive.
We need to change this. It's an intergenerational unfairness. So, we identified some priorities at the General Assembly, and we discussed them. And they are that there needs to be education for all people, of every generation, about the climate. When Dan was talking about the testing of his friends, I just can't avoid thinking about a disaster that took place in my country, in Spain, specifically in Valencia. It was the Dana, you may know. It just like rain, it was unnatural, roads became rivers, houses got full of water, and hundreds and even thousands of people died by drought. And not just that, because many schools got destroyed by the water and children cannot go to school for months. Also, many families lost their houses. So this is another example of what climate change does and why it's important to face it.